Was are these cats? Slot, you ready?
I'm done.
You good?
Away.
Sure.
Sure. Ngizothi slaughter. Kasi lona lizothi wa what? Slaughter. Look. Bapho thizo bagayele outlane ngora namhlanje izophathwa ngama chest pain. Naki bus labo mrapper ayikhweli still. Look, I got nothing to prove. You all know I'm the boss. I'm spitting painful punchlines like a kick off a dying horse. I'm breaking the laws cause I got the Wolverine claws. Tom Cruise was convinced I'm impossible mission. Who can stop me? That's $1 million question. Nenzi mistake naza nomrapper ongena option. Look. Kakufika uslotha kubakhe more mind of silence ngoba niphethe staff es6 ani njenge ambulance. Handiyo liquor store kodwa madala ngitops I-river yi-dress code that's why ngeke ngitune flops. Look.
What? Yeah.
Since when ukuba dope basijaja ngebeats what about the bars punchlines nobody king on streets. Yabona mfethu kule mic I don't hesitate. Option EC igama ngathi number plate. Look. Igama nguslaughter. Get my name right, nguslaughter Linja. Lo ndi rap niyenza into kunqamela okotywala bamajinja. Fuck. Yes. Look. Cool down. Esami spam ngisifaka imbotyi esaka usifaka i-tiger balm. No one is a sniper yesitarget ama-bum shots. Look, I'm from a SITE, side, that's me. Hulika or option? Baphethwe yi-HI, don't know. But yeah, I call up. But look, nayitshela le out ukuthi shima. Nayitshela le out ngathi you should quit rap and stick to your 9 to 5. My river is that after 9 idingi 4-5. To Sam, this thing is not a room. Ngoba ndivile bathe NMP bayadavazana, it's true. Look. Nguslaughter man bafethu nguslaughter wakudala, nguslaughter madala namanje nisezogcwala. Look, mamela option. You like a fish in a desert, motherfucker, you don't belong here. Ngiyayazi kumnyama manje, but I'll be your nightmare. I'll tell you'll be like a Chinese guy preaching on a black man's funeral. I'll tell you won't get what you're trying to say. Rather bow down with king, rather be obey. Uslaughter man, in Duana say side, Organjan. This is just to round one. I will hit you with the punch. Because this thing is obvious. I will save you as a lunch bar for lunch.
Lunch bar for lunch.
Sabi na yo.
Gama option isini. Sure. Islogan. Pull up over clutch change my game pace. So let's be on the okay. Take it easy. I don't know why like I took this battle. But I have to take this battle. To the brands as an opportunity to battle on this battle. And I don't know why I took this battle, because you've been quiet for so long. So I'm done, so activate. I could not take me. I Ivele izindwana zomgqwaliso kusana. Umnomo kanjika sikhulile sizicekaqika umquba. Isikhalo sengxaqolo ngensini. Sitsibana namaqhaqa aqhuma kweqhubu. Amazimane high nje. Amazimane high. So maniga, don't make me do something for extra G, like good damn fucking your cheek in the same house. Let me get deep into business. My gloves on, like I'm only booked for Utola Machichi. get deep into business, my gloves on, like I'm only booked for kuswela amakhitshi. Imbuzi ehlezi isutha yonke, the issue is opening ayikho solid. It's a murder scene. Never I talk too much. Maria bonakala ukuthi uchiphithuje. Ibhazi ihlukumeza amazansi kwa ibhifu kumshito ongabhekisanga kumojo. Fast bowlers, I keep them catching. One night stand. Catch it later, If us bowlers, I keep one night stand. Was in the tide, just pick a special one tide. Was in the tide, just pick a special one tide. Listen, just put your one there. Hello, Pop Smoke. Who I ask you, this is the invitation. Sure. That's the three. Who I ask you, this is the relocation. Sure.
Zoti slaughter, lonikazi lizothi wa what? Slaughter. It's better to listen to my dogs barking than listen to this guy rapping. Hi motherfucker, he's so fucking annoying. Nayigqibela nini station back at crash. Madam Fetu, look. Ekasa I'm like a period pain hlala ngiphethe intombazana. Look, bruh, let me speak VAR, let me speak facts. Mamela scheme, slaughter wa una G, I'm still him. Can't be paper ne pen in benobalisi film. Specific words, so no under 18. Option unjenge pets, always utone painting. Look. Listen. It's like namhlanje I thought nizongiphathela uGoliath. But now I feel njengencenze ezothethisa inqalathi. I won't even go hard ngenthethe. Lika I thought uyijan. Why imphathela ibhengete?
Why, Lika?
Look. Look. Wariami won. This is the main event. But right now, it feels like 6 seconds because the Joker is on right. Because the Joker is in the building. Because look, this shit was supposed to be wilding out.
Yes. Okay.
Maranina naspate konik. Is this the joke? Marmasengi couples, I'm not caning. You will get it, the footage. What the fuck is that? If work, that's a fact. If you line as he understand it, there's no need to take this at the punchline. Catch it on footage. What's that? Because the footage, what is gonna catch? Lihlazo. Look, Umnangi Jan, the real Jan, not this thing that is happening right there. Because right now, come again, Teti Sikwala Gangan.
Okay.
Look.
Yeah, it was said. Yeah. It's on cam.
Look.
It's on cam.
Look, Tinjanga bring bleach. I make MCs like this vanish quick.
Oh, all right.
Because Zazamu Gonzo Nicholas has fucking KG. One punch. Right. While he punches out, don't even last for 2 minutes, yell around. Lo mchita lasted for only 60 seconds. Look. Option EC. I didn't even prepare. Ungathani koyanga boya nikhathalelanga because look. Because anikhathalelanga because one thing I know ngumrapper qhwaba mathanga. Let me focus to a crowd. Let's treat him like he doesn't exist. Option EC, what's that? Sanumbheka nombheka. Ebelapha esikalela. Mina ngilikhwala ngiza kubetha ngozanzolo. What's that? Because I told him isaqala that he's like a Chinese guy preaching on a black man's funeral. You don't get what you're trying to say. Sister Labepa, come kayimelo uthi China lithi wushi.
Thulani kumeme ngabendungu. Thulani kumeme ngabendungu. Dabalo lithukalinye. Bona niphazamisa. Gave you 40 seconds extra because of the noise that's happening right here. So I'm gonna give you the 40 seconds as well extra. Hey, Thulani kaya ngizawuthi Thulani minkundu. But alizotsho. Let's go, Omshe. Round 2.
According like we understand.
Get close to the mic, eh?
According like we understand William.
Settle down.
According we understand William, we OG and then I'm a student. So that's why I wasn't really cool. You fucking lame bus driver. I'm hanging out the window, waving to some chubby chicks just to show you still lacking maturity. Oh. They got me battling a dude called Slaughter.
Sure.
A short nigga. They got me battling a dude called Slaughter. A short nigga kwisonga buza bayikota.
Nice.
Waqebela nyuba nguslaughter. Ipiano lisakokota.
Okay.
It's like ubhote ngengozi and then you were also a snitch. So let's first bury the body. Kubuye and preach it. My nigga, that's the only time I can talk behind your back.
Okay. Yes. Come on. Cooking. Cooking.
My nigga, that's the only time I can talk behind your back. How you gonna get this drug on posing or killing us stone?
Come on.
Kwesami style awulungi. Ubhoda usazama usilinganisa. You made a scene kwi-classes e-yoga. Kwesami style awulungi. Ubhoda usazama usilinganisa. You made a scene kwi-classes e-yoga. After the backing, akhono saphinda sithethe inde. Ngathi niphuza utywala bejuve baleka ingcibi. Kwi-round zonke uzawuflopa like I'm viewing i-porn page yamandiya. Endlalayo akaliboni. OG with the keys, but the car is stolen.
Okay.
This is light food. I'm a cooking while the pot is open.
It's even.
This is light food. This is light food. I'm a cooking while the pot is open.
Alright.
With street fight, call me K9. I appear in a token.
Come on.
King of fighters.
Let's go.
Dikshu shameless and speechless. Dikshu shameless and speechless. Gathi usandophazamisa umama wakho emasturbate.
Come on.
We came with street fight. I appear in a token. Dikshu shameless and speechless. ngathi usandophazamisa umama wakho imasturbate. Sihlale phansi sibukele i-trending news zika-Puff Daddy kwi-breakfast table and make you hate peanut butter. My nasty shit. Idinga uhlalelwa phansi like I've been fucking sister wakho paralyzed.
I'll let you finish only the 20 seconds so that we go to no more than that. 20 seconds only to finish. And then I'll give you the 20 seconds extra.
My nasty shit. Uhlalelwa phansi like I've been fucking sister. My nasty shit. Idinga uhlalelwa phansi like I've been fucking sister wakho paralyzed. Besinga kuyadlala. Sabuyisela ibhazi kancane i-COVID era. Niggas like you azabuyela i-foreskin kwi-circumcision.
Lizothi slaughter lonikasi lizothi wawat slaughter Jayam manje uyafakaza buya igay uyayipromote Sodom. Into endivileyo umjito unomlomo omkhulu ingathi ngeyama cherry condom. Look. I will go harder and deeper. Maranjayam, look. Manje ngathi ngenza ama computer, but one thing I'll never do, I will never make your mother bored. Look. Okay. Aswayega my jokes. Let's go back to Ivarate. The only bar he ever dropped was the Petrongwe. Look. Listen, Jess. Listen. Uti, he's fucking the game. Mari special ninzu ya drop. He's like, you will get it on footage. They will get it on footage. Uti, he's fucking the game. Special ninzu ya drop. Because then talk Dala way before. If you listen to my second round, I'm actually paid was the STI. That's what they could it. So we are drop. Look, even if I'm gonna Dragon Balls, umchita, marazange was this a person to life. In Nyumba, when I go and join in Gabination, cause the umna, Yamiti Sanglali and Ansozeng being God. Look, I thought the ways of my chiefs the parades belly tab. But it's like I'm watching a movie at Dalu Miami Sense. Cause manje, Tinjenge Barcelona yo Lamal. I got no miss. Look. Kipeta ma 1,000. Then shota ngestool let's drive lesibane. They won't get it. If you're from Roma, you will get it. Settle down. Settle down. As I've said, I got nothing to prove. You all know I'm the boss.
Sure.
I'm not here to prove Uguting Bani OG Ngubani Cool Cat. I'm not here to prove Ngubani OG Ngubani Cool Cat. Because I'm not cool at Talang in Bukelu ETV 12 o'clock. Benzelu Emmanuel. And then Ningbega Netola is fuck it. Ningbega Netola. Ningbega Netola. Esangirephela ngabo Jeep Jab. Le Audi yi-light nyani. I will call him a cool cat ngoba he looks like a catnap. Look. Now he's recycled or resurrecting his bars efonini. Look. Yabona mfethu kwakudala ngiyawabulala amabhara. Igama nguSlaughterman and welcome on my butcher. Biggest mistake you made. Nasibiza ama-goat. Nalibala ukuthi uSlaughter ngubani.
Cut that shit. Come on.
Umna you see you crowd with the broken bones. You see you crowd with the broken bones. Ngoba kakudala ngivani nemzini weinsizwa. Ngilikhehlela kudala umakubani.
Thank you. Option, you got an option to kill this nigga. Or to let him still live.
Quest rap battles, I've been eating tiny niggas and I shoot it too. So this time around, I told the organizer, bring me something in a footer. But what the fuck, ngiphethe ingubo yomkhwetha. Well, rap battles, I've been eating tiny niggas and I shoot it too. So this time around, I told the organizer, please bring me something in a footer. But what the fuck, ngiphethe ingubo yomkhwetha. Uflow umbetha. Ngandikubetha is because anginelani with the issue in dropping okwegig engenama-fans.
Okay.
Still underground.
Yes.
Ungandibiza kachayi enhloko yinqayi imosteni nabalekela kwi-waves. You come on, let's go. Still underground. Enhloko yinqayi ungandibiza kachayi imosteni yabalekela kwi-waves. You going bar for bar, no option. Udibana the punch, udibene the stiff arm over your head. The para, the rope weaves. When I come through with a 9, it's like in the tips. Kanse fika kwi-trance, kuphuka amakhoba, ibe ngilomntana iyanloba, That's why 9 iphuma phansi kwentamo like I'm shooting ingqoji entaka.
Okay.
Let's go. You got your homies feeling ashamed. You got your homies feeling ashamed. Banyiki inhloko. Ngathi uhlahluba ngugobelo hleze phisa ngephusi.
He got no choice. Let's go. He got no choice.
Bar after bar. You see, you beka like you're looking for directions with GPS. Pin the bar after bar. And then I keep loading. That is how the pubic hair.
Let's go, my chick.
Bar after bar. And then I keep loading. Cutting house was this kaka pubic hair.
That's nasty.
Come on. Okay, alright.
Time.
Okay, sure. Jonga.